Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate time in Excel. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Open an Excel sheet first. Here you can see there are some AM and PM time. Some problem happens when we want to subtract PM from AM or AM from PM. Let's say it's AM. Okay, now you will see that it will be a problem. If we simply subtract the time, then there would be a problem. Let's see, which is equal to subtraction. As you can see, it's okay. Let's just make it in a definite format, which is time. Give it to this. As you can see, it's 2 hours. Okay, if you drag it down, as you can see, there is some hash because it's from AM to PM. It would be a problem. So what we will do is we will delete this formula and we'll give a definite formula, which is equals to, if open parenthesis, and then we'll give a logical test, which is we'll say if this cell is greater than this cell, then we'll subtract this cell from this cell. So and then we'll put a comma, and then we will, if it is false, if it is true, then we will subtract this from this cell. And if it is false, then what we will do is just we will add 1, and then we'll subtract this cell from this cell. Okay, then close the parenthesis, click on enter. Let's put on another parenthesis. The problem here is that I have mistakenly applied 2 parentheses here, so I will delete 1 and click on enter. As you have seen, it's done. So we will just simply drag and down, and as you can see, it's done. We have found out that how many hours the total working time is. So yeah, this is how you can calculate time in Excel. It will be a great option for subtracting AM to PM. So So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.